Welcome, welcome viewers. It's Polly the Cutie Bird owner, and I'm giving Polly a shower with his new bottle. And Polly is also frightened with a new bottle because it's new. And let us say to Polly that, well, let's see. You like having a bath, don't you? Do you like having a bath? You like having a bath, don't you? Don't you? I sure you do. You love bath, don't you? Of course you do. Time for you three friendly budgies. You three also like a bath, don't you? Do you? Of course you do. Let's just hope that I didn't get her food wet. Okay, I'm done.